Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen cylinder at high altitude. First, always assess your need for supplemental oxygen, especially above 8,000 feet. Before ascent, check your cylinder's pressure gauge to ensure it is full. Then, firmly attach the regulator to the cylinder valve, making sure it is hand-tightened for a secure seal. This initial setup is crucial for safe and effective. Once your regulator is attached, carefully open the cylinder valve slowly, counterclockwise. Next, adjust the flow meter to your desired oxygen flow rate, typically between 2 and 4 liters per minute for general use. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, or insert the nasal cannula into your nostrils, ensuring a snug yet comfortable fit. Breathe normally and deeply. After importing, Copy Shopify allows you to fully customize and optimize your content. You can easily refine product descriptions, craft engaging headlines, and adjust images to perfectly match your brand. The tool also lets you map product variants, apply specific pricing rules, and configure shipping details. Furthermore, you can optimize essential SEO elements, such as titles and meta descriptions, to improve your store's search engine ranking and attract more customers. It is vital to recognize when to seek further assistance. If your symptoms of altitude sickness, such as severe headache, nausea, or confusion, worsen despite oxygen use, begin a controlled descent immediately. Do not hesitate to seek professional medical attention if symptoms persist or become severe. Oxygen is a temporary aid, not a cure for serious altitude-related conditions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.